Hello again and thanks for watching, guys. Today I'm going to do the unboxing for the APT angle grinder that I promised you with. This is the box for the APT. See, it's APT HD Power Tools. And here is the model. It's saying extra powerful to tough jobs, 4,000 to 11,000 RPMs per minute. Ensures fast material removal, rubber grip, reduces vibration and provides greater user comfort. We will see that. And trigger can be loaded, whatever. Here is the box for the APT angle grinder. Let's open the box, unbox it, and see what's inside. It's a wonderful box. Cool. See that? Wow. Let's see. Comes with the manual. Here is the manual, of course. It says APT HD Power Tools, blah blah blah. Oh, and there is a key as well. Look at that. Cute. It's a cute silver key. It's a very hard silver steel key for installing and uninstalling the disc. Let's see. Manual. And the guide's model. Shows you how to install the disc. The assembly for that. That's written in German here. No English? No English? Okay, that's German. Oh, here is English. Operating instructions for right angle grinders. Carbon brushes that are burned, broken, or shorter than 5 mm are not replaced by original. Placement brushes always replace the carbon brushes in pairs. Grinding wheels, blah blah blah. That's the manual. Okay. There we go. Let's see what else do we have here. The angle grinder itself. Wow, that's very heavy. That's heavier than the total one. Oh, okay. Protection plate. And the wheels and oh, switch. It's not going up. Okay. Oh, that's different. That's a safety switch. Also. Wow. What else? Oh. Oh, that has speed limitations. Speed. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 speeds. Cool. has 6 speeds, guys. Well, the button for installing the disk. I'm uninstalling the disk. (2020 volts, 50 hertz, 750 watts as well, 4,000 to 11,000 RPM, made in China, HD power tools, angle grinder and its model, and ventilation, got a lot of ventilation rooms. So this is the angle grinder. Let's see what else do we have. Oh, okay. Inside the box, a handle. Yeah, the handle, yes. Wow, look at that nice grip handle. It's very strong, made of very strong rubber and fiber plastic. It's very strong. Gets installed here or there, whatever suits you. So you hold it like that and start grinding. Nothing else. That's all. Does not have any Allen keys, but that's okay, because it looks like it does not need an Allen key. I have already Allen key, but that what comes with the box. So let's see, in the next video I will be testing this out in action, and we will see what it do. Okay, that's for now. And I will be making the next part using the angle grinder itself in operation.